Hello Gabriel, I'm going to go through your paper. Okay, first thing, why do you only do 2 questions? If you don't practice, I cannot give you feedback, you cannot improve. Okay, firstly, first question asks you, what does Sase tell you about the management of discrimination? Tell is the keyword, management of discrimination is the focus. Okay, but in this case, you have to tell me, is it effective or ineffective? This is your inference. Okay, so it's good that you use like the keyword tell. However, you go on to say generally do not discriminate against other races. What about this part about management? Okay, management is from the point of view of the country in terms of the leaders, the government, or the police officials. Okay, so in this case, you're just telling me that people generally do not discriminate. This is not about management. That's why I wrote not answering question. Okay, if you don't answer questions straight away, you will get maximum only 2 marks. Okay, next big mistake, you tell me this evidence as majority of Australians. I agree. However, this is the same mistake as common test. If it's about statistics, you must give me the actual percentage. It's just like in geography, right? Otherwise, I cannot believe you. How much is majority? So if you look at source A, it's really, you should pick up the highest number because they will tell us something about what most people feel. This is your most. I need to see 80.4%. Got it? Okay, otherwise your inference is fine if you answer the question. This is not answering the question. Okay, hence I wrote here. Okay, next question. Source B, why was this infographic published? Okay, again good, it was published to encourage Australians to prevent racist acts. Okay, so you give the actual evidence, good. Next, okay, this shows that since Australia is one of the most multicultural nations in the world, racism should not be an existing problem. Okay. What is missing here? Let me see. Since Australia is one of the most multicultural nations in the world. Okay, so why? Okay, the question asks you why was this published, right? Okay, the main reason is because racism is still happening in Australia. In fact, it's on the rise. That's why it's a worrying problem, and this organization decided that Australians need to know so that they will do something about it. In their everyday lives, if they see such incidences from happening, they must stop it. Right? So it's not just merely to show that Australia is, since Australia is one of the most multicultural nations in the world, it should not exist. It is already saying it is an ongoing problem. That's why something needs to be done. Okay, so your inference is not directly stated. Okay, and next thing, you also didn't consider Pamui C, the context in this case. Where do you get the context from? It's always from the background info. Okay, I've said this during the common test. So it's written here, acts of discrimination continue to happen, especially against 2 main groups of people. Mainly that's why this was published. Okay, and we can also see the minority continues to be targeted even today. Okay.